Hello guys, welcome back. So let's move on to the next question. Right? So what they given in the question? So there are 20 poles with a constant distance between each pole. A car takes 24 seconds to reach the 12th pole. So how much time will it take to reach the last pole they are asking? Right? So let's look into the solution. So guys, there are totally 20 poles starting from 1 to 20. Right? So this is the first pole, this is the last pole. Last pole and first pole. So what they given? So a car takes 24 seconds to reach the 12th pole. So by starting with a car, right? So it takes 24 seconds, right? But they given it takes 24 seconds to reach the 12th pole. So this is the 12th pole. In order to reach this, they given the time as 24 seconds. So actually we don't know the distance between each pole, right? There are 20 poles, but they given the distance between each pole as constant. So let us assume the distance between, so the constant distance as x meters. So distance between each pole. So distance between each pole I am assuming it as x meters squares, right? So distance between each pole is x meters. So in order to reach the 12th pole, so the distance between each pole is x meters. So then the distance between for reaching the 12th pole is nothing but what we get 11x. So distance for reaching, so distance between 12 poles is nothing but distance between 12 poles equals to 11x. So as we already know time and the distance, so from this what we can find is, so that the formula as we know, so speed equals to distance by time. So distance is nothing but 11x, that is time is nothing but 24 seconds, right? So this is the speed. But what they are asking, how much time will it take to reach the last pole they are asking? So last pole means 20. So as already we know that speed, right? So if you know the distance between up to these 20 poles, we can able to find the time. So nothing but the distance for 20 poles is nothing but 19x, we will get this, as the distance between each pole is x meters. So as already I know distance and speed. So as the formula we know that is time equals to distance by speed. So distance equals to what? 19x. So 19x substitute. So speed what we know. So this is the total distance and this is the speed per second in between. So when we are dividing the total distance with the speed what we know, we can able to get the time for our required to reach the last pole, what they are asking, right? So that is nothing 19x divided by, so the speed is nothing but 11x divided by 24. 11x divided by 24. So what we will get 19x divided by 11x into 24. So by doing it, we will get the answer as that is 41.45 seconds. So that's it guys. This is the major thing we have to remember. So nothing is there. So what they mentioned is they given the 20 poles. Also they mentioned to reach the 12th pole, they given the time as 24 seconds. That means, so as we don't know the distance between each pole, but they given the distance is constant. So the distance is constant means I am assuming the distance between each pole as x meters. So if it is x meters, the distance between 12 poles is nothing but 11x meters. As the distance between two poles is x meters, so similarly for 12 poles, we have the distance of 11x meters, right? So that is the 11x meters. Also they mentioned the time for reaching this 12th pole as 24 seconds. So that's why I divided. So I got the speed, right? So but they are asked to find for the last pole. So how we have to do? We find the distance and divide that with the time speed what we need, so that we can be able to get it. So that's it guys. So hope you understand. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. It's truly there. Signing off. Have a nice day. Bye.